Beavers have large incisors that continuously grow throughout their lives. These incisors are crucial for felling trees, a key beaver activity. The teeth are self-sharpening due to differential enamel and dentin hardness. Beavers possess waterproof fur and webbed feet, adaptations for aquatic life. Their flat, scaly tail functions as a rudder for swimming. The tail is also used as a warning signal when slapped on the water. Beavers construct dams using trees, mud, and stones, creating ponds and wetlands. These dams provide beavers with safe habitats and access to food during winter. The resulting ponds create diverse habitats for other species. Beaver dams improve water quality through sediment filtration and water table regulation.